This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. In focus this week, the Great British Pound Sterling. We are looking right here at the British Pound US dollar trade. We've had a bounce from a trend support in play for a couple of weeks. When we came up toward the end of last week, we had a diamond reversal pattern at the top of that move up. However, our price action metrics at that time and our momentum metrics signaled a buy against that diamond reversal. So our primary target on that trade was around the 139.20 area with a secondary target up to the 140.30 area. We have not pushed up to our secondary target yet to that 140.30. However, British Pound US dollar, we are looking for a potential to the short side with that diamond pattern. I'm going to pull that off very quickly, and we're going to look right here at a weekly chart. And you can see what we look like here on a weekly chart. And let me explain our view here. Around this 140.30 level, we have a trend support shift to the downside. The last 3 weeks, we've seen that trend shift downward. And what that creates is a negative momentum pressure against this British Pound US dollar long trade. So keep that in mind when we're looking at this daily trade. Any sign of a momentum reversal, British Pound US dollar, or a price action reversal, and right now I am showing a sell signal on my price action metrics for that daily. So keep that in mind. This right here is also going to form what looks like to be a potential arrowhead pattern on these 3 candles. So we're going to keep an eye on that trade and look for that British Pound US dollar short. Take a quick look here at the British Pound Japanese Yen for the week. We have had a move from the lows up to this high. We had a diamond reversal pattern where we came down. We had a primary target there of 147.70 with a secondary target of 147 even. We came down, pierced through that 147.70, and we have popped back up into a high pin range. So we're watching that trade to see how that moves down. But we are looking short pound yen on that diamond reversal. Pound Swiss franc. We did have a move up through this trend support. We had a target area of 139 and then a secondary target area, of 131.90 and a secondary target of 132.70 and a half. We are very, very close to that 132.71 area. So what we're looking for at this point is to any sign of a reversal back down. We've been trading at 100% maximum momentum, have very strong bullish metrics, buy signal, chart analytics, and price action. Our price action metrics show that we are only 3 basis points on those metrics from being in a sell condition. In the last couple of days, we have had a sell condition. So we've moved up into a buy signal condition on today's trade, but we are nearing a level where we have that target and an extended period of time where momentum has been at 100%. So we're watching that trade for any sign of a pullback. British Pound Canadian dollar very quickly. Had a buy signal early in this week. I'm going to pop that off real quick. And we've had a move up toward our target high of 183.11, 183.33, somewhere in that range. So we're looking potentially for a sign of any reversal on that British Pound Canadian dollar trade after this push to this high target at 183.33. So we'll keep an eye on that. British Pound Australian dollar. We had a move down on that trade last week. We showed a diamond reversal in a long position today on that trade. Our target was a break above this 178.22. That did play out. We're trading at 100% momentum, buy signals, price action metrics, and our chart analysis metrics. And finally, very quickly, the British Pound and the Euro. We're looking at the Euro-British Pound trade. We've came down and it's been 3 days, 3 consecutive sessions right here at this trend support. We did break through that trend support. Our view was short below 88.88 all the way down to a target of 88.19, 88.12, somewhere in that region, and we're nearing that today. This is CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com.